Hi, this is Vikneshwar, work in 19 CS 1052. In this class, we're going to see about abstract classes. First question: develop a Java application with abstract classes called contacts to represent contacts details such as name, phone number, email ID, and edit that contact and add contact and view contact, and create two subclasses such as Facebook and WhatsApp with sections from the contacts class. Finally, create a main class and demonstrate the above methods using runtime polymorphism. Now we're going to see program. In this program, I use Eclipse. I create first class called contacts, public abstract class called contacts, and string. I want to have name called name, so string name, and email ID also string. Phone number is int numbers, so int phone number, and public contacts called string name, string email ID, and int phone number. Superclass. This is for superclass. In superclass, this dot name is equal to name I assign, and this dot email ID is equal to email ID I assign, and this dot phone number is equal to phone number. I already said this is abstract class, so abstract void add contacts, and abstract void view contact, abstract void called edit contacts. And after I using setter getter method, and last public string to string written like this. This only come output first name and phone number, at last email ID. And we're going to see now Facebook class. In Facebook class, first public class Facebook extend contacts. That's all. Usually it will continue the contact class, and scanner se is equal to new scanner dot system dot in, and public Facebook super class string name, string email ID, and in phone number, super class name, email ID, and phone number. This is void add contacts, view contacts, and edit contacts. In add contacts, we add the contacts numbers, and view contacts, we whatever add the contacts we see in this view contacts. And edit contacts, in edit contacts we edit the contacts, like edit if you want to edit that name or email ID or phone number, we edit here using phone number. Int number is equal to scanner of next int. That means set that phone number, we have to set one phone number like this, and same as that of the WhatsApp class, like Facebook class, same. Public class WhatsApp extends that contact list, and super class phone number, email ID, and name. And here also we want to add contacts, view contacts, and edit contacts. We have to edit that phone number, and last we have going to main function. In main function, public static, that is main, and contacts of here I add a array. So number is equal to, array of number is equal to, I give 5 but I using 3. N of 0 is equal to a Facebook. Here I add name and email ID and phone number, and 2 name like that. And here n of number array 0 view contacts and edit contacts and view contacts, like that. Okay, I'm going to run this program. Add contacts, edit contacts, and view contacts, like that it come. Okay, I'm going to run this program. So name, object, if you want to edit phone number means you have to edit. If you put wrong means, and here that view details came, name is Ajit, and email id and phone number, and again I enter one name. And phone number. If this phone number is wrong, is again type phone number, and that Vijay details are come. This only come like that. This is my program. Thank you for watching, and be safe. Meet you in next class.